What is up guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp and this video is going to be a tip calculator. So I started out with tip calculator in the last video and we went with FizzBuzz, which was a pretty easy program. So this program is going to be a little bit complicated in the sense that we would be taking multiple inputs from user and doing some calculations. So without further ado, let's start writing code. So I will put a name. So let's put a name, random name like Jade. So what we will do is take the bill from the user itself. So bill amount is equal to input. Please enter the bill amount for, and here I have to put F and just remove this, and here we'll put name and colon and dollar. So what happens now, if I run this, you will see enter the bill amount for Jade. We put 10, nothing happens because we did not do anything with the bill amount. So like I said, the input is always going to be a string. So it's time to convert it into an integer. And now we have the bill amount. We will also ask the tip percentage and we'll say input F, how much will name tip, and here let's keep it like this, and below we will again do the same thing. Tip underscore percent is equal to int of tip percent, and we will store this here itself. So actually let's do it, divide by 100. So tip percent will tip amount. So let's do it, let's do the calculation here. So tip amount is going to be this into the bill, so bill amount, and then we'll say final bill is equal to print, let's do F, Jade has a final bill of let's do final underscore bill is equal to tip amount plus bill amount, and here we will do print name has a final bill of bill amount, so here it's final bill, and here bracket let's do tip amount, tip percent is equal to, we'll put tip amount. So let's see, I am just writing this out right now, so I have to check if it will work. So let's do this right now. So enter the bill amount for Jade, let's go with 20. How much will Jade tip? So we'll do 15, and Jade has a final bill of 23. 15% tip is going to give you $3. So this should be dollar, and we have $3 tip and we have a total bill of 20, so it's 23. So let's do one more, and this time we'll do 110, so it's easier to calculate. So let's do 100 and 10% tip, and this is 110. So let's do 120% tip, and maybe that will clear it up. If you want, 20% tip is going to be 120. So this is working fine. One thing that you need to remember is this should only run when the user enters numbers. So if I here put like characters, it is going to give an error because you cannot convert a word into an integer. So we will see how to handle conditions like that, where user will put something like this and it will break the program. We are going to do that in the next video.